All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive. And today, we're going to be tackling something that might not sound super exciting at first. But trust me, this is a game changer once you wrap your head around it.
I agree.
We're talking about checkpoint reports. And to help us unpack all this, we're going to be pulling some insights from Project Management for Project Managers by Orlando Casabon.
Great book.
So, you hear project management, and you might think spreadsheets and timelines and just general headache-inducing stuff. But honestly, understanding this one little document that we're going to talk about today can really make a huge difference in how you manage any project, whether it's, a massive undertaking or something small that you're working on in your personal life.
Yeah, absolutely.
So let's get right to it. What is a checkpoint report, and why should you even care?
Well, I'm glad you asked, because a checkpoint report is essentially like a progress report, but instead of looking at the whole project, it just focuses on one specific part.
Okay, so it's not like a big overview of the entire project.
Right, exactly. It's more granular. It's about taking a closer look at a single work package.
Now, hold on for a second. When you say work package, what exactly are we talking about here?
Sure. So a work package is basically a chunk of work that has a clear start and finish. It's like a mini project within a larger project. So, think of it like if you're building a house, laying the foundation, that would be a work package. Installing the plumbing, that's another work package, and so on.
Okay, I'm starting to see the picture here. So the checkpoint report is basically a progress report for one of those specific work packages.
Yes, precisely. And the beauty of this is that you don't have to wait for a giant project report to get an update on how things are going. You get targeted information exactly when you need it.
So that means you can spot problems early on and make adjustments before they become big issues.
Exactly. You can adjust resources, make sure everyone's on the same page, and keep things moving smoothly. It's all about being proactive.
I can definitely see how that would be super helpful. Now, I know some people might hear checkpoint report and think it's the same thing as a quality check, but I'm guessing that's not quite right.
No, you're right. They are different. A quality check is all about making sure that something meets certain standards. It's about the quality of the work itself. A checkpoint report, on the other hand, is about tracking progress. It's about how much has been completed, what resources have been used, and any challenges or roadblocks that have come up.
So it's less about whether something is good or bad and more about where we are in the process.
Exactly. It's about keeping everyone informed and making sure the project is on track.
Got it. So let's say our listener is a team manager, the person in charge of a specific work package. How does the checkpoint report help them?
Well, it becomes their main tool for communicating with the project manager. They can use it to provide a clear and concise update on their progress, highlight any potential delays or issues, and basically just make sure everyone is on the same page.
I like to think of it like those progress bars you see when you're downloading a file. You can see exactly how far along you are and how much is left to go.
Yeah, that's a perfect analogy. And just like with those progress bars, a checkpoint report can be really helpful in highlighting potential issues early on. It helps you anticipate problems and make adjustments before they cause major delays.
So essentially, it's all about transparency and making informed decisions.
Exactly.
So just to recap, checkpoint reports, they're like those little laser-focused progress updates for specific tasks within a project. They help you stay organized, spot those problems early, and keep the communication flowing between the team and the project manager.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it. And if anyone out there listening wants to learn more about this and really dig into the nitty-gritty details of project management, I highly recommend checking out the book that we mentioned earlier, Project Management for Project Managers by Orlando Casabon.
Absolutely. It's a fantastic resource. So as we wrap up here, I want you to think about a project that you're working on right now. Could a checkpoint report bring some more clarity and help things run a little smoother? It's something to ponder as you go about your week. That's it for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.
See you later.